In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, ciliated epithelium is mainly present in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubes, and the function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, goblet cells are unicellular glands, and we know that some of the columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion and are called glandular epithelium, and goblet cell is an example. Thus, B matches with 3. Now, tendons are dense regular connective tissues which attach skeletal muscles with bones. Thus, C matches with 1. Now, adipose tissue is a special type of loose connective tissue located mainly beneath the skin, and the cells of these tissues are specialized to store fats. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Options A, B, and C are